Alright, so now we are about to go on the jungle trek. I'm not sure what kind of animals are here. I've seen this before and I've done it before, but I don't remember, of course. So Nick's going to do my filming for me, and I'm just doing the intro. Yep, there's his hand in the way. Okay, so yeah, so we're on the jungle trek, and we're going to go through here and see what kind of animals we can see.
The name of it, because she can't pronounce it, is Maharajah. Maharajah. Pasha, Pasha. See, you just messed up my number. Can't do it that way. Anyway, let's see what we can see over here. Not sure if there's an animal over here.
What's supposed to be in here?
Right by the rock, there's a dragon right there.
A dragon?
Oh.
Okay. Oh, are you getting her?
Yeah.
So there it is. It's a Komodo dragon.
It's a Komodo dragon.
With the Komodo dragon, they are the largest kind of lizard in the world. This is a female, so the highest biggest appears in the wild. The males will be upwards of 10 we had to do it based on like
So as that lady was saying, the dragon, apparently it cannot be let out if it's under 60. And this one is a female. According to her, the males are 10 feet long, I think. So I do want to ask this lady a question.
So we just kind of take turns. So today it's her, yesterday it was him.
Okay.
And they have like different rooms in the barn inside. And so she'll probably be out tomorrow.
So did they want to go out?
Well, yeah. So sometimes it can be that, you know, maybe we're trying to breed and so there's certain times of the year where it's like breeding season.
Okay.
It could be because they don't necessarily get along with that individual, like you said.
Yeah.
And in our case, these are non-breeding females. So we don't intend to move her ever.
Okay.
So she may actually take that baby.
Okay.
Typically, like she has six when she was younger, her ovaries had to be removed. Which is fine. That's for our life.
Right.
Right now.
That's not always a bad thing.
Yeah, exactly. But yeah, so she's really good.
Yeah.
And they share the same space, so sometimes it's fun because they still mark different areas and so she can tell him or he can tell her, and it's just a form of enrichment for them.
Right.
But yeah, they're not necessarily animals that we
For breeding. Yeah. Okay.
So I want to know is the last time we were here, I don't know if you heard about it, but the new lion cub that was born.
The tiger?
I think so.
Yeah.
Is that here?
He's not out yet, he's still pretty little, but we're hoping maybe next month. But if you want to learn more about him, we actually have a live stream that we do every Tuesday. And so he's vaccinated with mom, just taking care of him. So if you want to see him, if you go on the Disney Parks YouTube channel, every Tuesdays at 2, we have a live stream with him.
I'm very excited for that.
I am too. He's our first baby in like 8 years.
Yeah.
I think I'm subscribed to it, but I'm always at work.
Yeah, the Facebook too. I mean, it's got it catalogs it, so it saves the VOD, so you don't have to watch the live stream to see it. Like all the videos are still up there.
Yeah. Okay. You ready?
Yeah. All right. Thank you.
I gotta zoom back out real quick. Again, that was the Komodo dragon. I don't know if it's of Chinese descent. I always thought it was. And I also asked that lady because I don't know how long ago this was, but I heard that there was a new tiger cub that was born. As you can see, the sign that says tigers right here. And from what she said, that the cub is still with its mom in the back. Sun's in my face. I wonder what's in here. I have no idea.
There's another side to this, so it could be on the other side. I mean, I don't know what we're looking for, but I know there is another side to this.
I feel like this is a lion.
Yeah, maybe. I hate to put.
Because the last time we saw it, it was always walking by right here.
It might be on the other side.
I'm talking right now.
Ow. Sorry, my umbrella's in the way. Let's see what we can see over here. That's my umbrella still in the way.
You're not by the fan. There is one before, there's one back there. It's a lion club and a cat. Oh, okay.
Mm.
In the back right corner.
Trying to
Now, see
see.
anybody? Can you see them? These guys usually hang out on the tops of the trees. They're arboreal animals. They're monkeys.
Oh, I see
Yeah,
it.
they're moving right there on the netting.
There it is.
You're not by those trees. Straight through their outline.
Yeah.
It's really good. This place is pretty. This is what they look like. Up close.
That's what they look like up close.
They get their name not from their mane, but from their tail. Almost just like a lion's tail. So that's lion tail macaques.
Very pretty.
You see what they're doing?
Yeah.
With a lion tail macaque, they're hanging out towards the top. You don't have to stand by the fan and look in the back. I got the good spots.
So in here, I think are bats. If you don't want to see them, you can skip this part. So when she gets over here, I'll tell her. So you're gonna love this part because in here, there's bats.
Yeah, we're not gonna go see them.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, so we're gonna skip the bats because I don't think either of us are a fan.
They try their best, right?
Thank you, sweetie.
All right, those are some muscles, girl. Thank you. Bigger. And bigger?
Not sure what's in here, if anything.
Do you see anything fun in there?
No, I think tigers live in here. Mom!
So we'll go up this way. Don't think there was anything in there. Let's see what we can see over here. Oh, there's a lion right there.
Lions, cheetahs. Yeah.
Okay, I knew they were in Asia. I didn't know that they were not in Africa. Look at that.
You're really dumb if you think that's different.
Ready? It was right there. Now, for those who'll see this video later, if you hear that weird sounding call, I have no idea what that is. But I've heard it multiple times walking through here. Have you?
I have. I don't know what it is though. There it is. Again.
Yeah. It might not be a real bird. It could just be a soundtrack, maybe, possibly. And so right here, I think, is where this lion walks by.
You want to try to go back to the other window and see if you can see them from the back window? Let's try. Let's just see one thing. It might be over there. You want to go over there? Alright, let's go check it out.
Well, I got a shot of it.
I'll have to go back and watch it.
Yeah. Oh. It like came out and I had to zoom in. Let's see, I wonder what's over here. So I think this area was where we found out about the lion cub. There was a lady here before that was telling us about it. Oh, look at these boys over here. Look at them. Just roaming, having a day. Just try to stand over here and catch him. Not sure what these are. That they were. Alright, so now we are walking underneath like a tunneled area, sorta, with all these Asian flags. I think on this side is where the tiger's at. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna be going through here. Almost looks like an Indiana Jones type thing. So I think we go through this door here. It will be dark for just a second.
It will be dark, and then there will be light.
Exactly. Now's a good time for Mom to have her headlight.
Let me turn it off.
Through the chains.
Okay, I'm ready to go. I think. Okay, here we go. This is what we're doing.
Yep. Okay, so this is the bird section of this jungle truck. There's a little one right there nibbling on something. There's some sleeping, it looks like. There's some more. Just right up on that nesting thing. You can see the white birds right there. And there's one right up there. So here's, well, there was a rather huge bird just standing right there. Let's see if we can try to see what it was.
Now I have a new bucket list item. Go to New Guinea and see a flock.
Yeah.
Can you imagine?
Pigeon.
I used to go to London a lot.
Let me show you.
Where?
There's this bird right here with the long tail on the back, and then behind that walking is a pigeon. I think this is a peacock, I think.
Ask her when she's done. I'm pretty sure it is.
The Victoria Crown pigeons are definitely looks good.
Is that a peacock?
What's to know what kind of white bird is that? Is that a dove of some sort?
It's a pied imperial pigeon.
Another pigeon.
Yep, there's another one that looks just like it, but the wings are green, and that's a green imperial pigeon.
Oh, he turned around.
Yeah, there you go. He's not as bright pink as he usually is.
He's cooperating.
But they sit up there and they just snap off small branches with
Excuse me, sorry.
That's no purpose. So they are considered nuisance birds.
That guy. Is he the one yelling at you?
Yeah, this one's Alfred. That's his, he wants to, he's trying to ask her on the dates that she doesn't say no. But he's like, yes, we're gonna go on a date.
I can't imagine that at all.
Just like
This is why we're not having
So by the sounds of it, it seems like these two are having a conflict of interest. As you can see, the pigeon has its wings out because apparently this one wants to ask that one out, apparently. And the pigeon in the back is like, yeah, no. And that's why you saw him or her spreading its wings out, like, get out of my business. It's probably also a territorial display.
You gotta let me spread my wings.
Did you get that?
Yeah, so it turns out from what that guest right there said, that the peacock was that one to ask the pigeon out on a date.
Yeah.
And stop, so I can tell you this. When the peacock would walk up to the pigeon went up, if you hold this for a second, the pigeon went like this, like put its wings out and was like, get out of here.
Yeah, that's
And
good, Nick.
the
It's a
pigeon
good
was like-
rendition.
Not the pigeon, the peacock, but because peacocks go like, Alfred. And it was like running away because it was like, okay, I best not do
I
that.
like your rendition of that.
Should I do it again?
Yeah, that's it.
Alright, we're going through these chains again.
Oh, it was ears.
It's like we're playing, what's that game called? Where you have to bend under the stick.
I'm not sure I know what that game is.
There she is trying to get out the door.
Yeah.
Yep, okay. There's that sound again.
You want me to do my regular thing?
What?
You don't want to show that on camera.
What is it? Okay.
Okay. I recorded that.
Oh, there's a squirrel. Come here, squirrely.
They're in my backyard now.
Come here, squirrely. Hey. Squirrely. Nope. Okay. Guess you don't want none. So I think that sound you're hearing is a type of bird. I'm just not sure what kind. Alright. And that bird is like really noisy. Alright, so I think we're at the end of this. Thank you for visiting the Maharajah Jungle Trek, is how it's properly pronounced.
When you're done, you can shut it off.
Any last words?
I really enjoyed that. So it was nice to go through there. Before you stop the recording, though, why don't you go show that monkey that's in there?
So right over here, there's a monkey exhibit. If I can quit being blinded. Ow.
Yeah, I'm not doing all that. Hopefully you can find it.
Alright, so like I said, this is a monkey exhibit. Not sure where our friend is at. You can see off in the distance right there, that raft, that is Kali River Rapids. It's a rather wet ride, if I say so. I think I heard a lady just say that the hammock that's right there, there's a monkey taking a nap inside that hammock in the sun. Look in there for a minute. See the hammock right there? The hammock? Right here. There's one in there apparently. And I'll show you this real quick before I hand it back over. There goes a raft from Kali. That's what I just said. Okay, I will hand the phone back over to... There you go.
Alright, thanks.
Yep.
So I wouldn't have been able
It's
to
still
walk.
recording. So.
Oh, I didn't know he was still recording. Okay, so all right, so that was the truck that we walked through, and I think there's a monkey up in that hammock right there, but we can't see it, but it's taking a nap. All right, so I hope you enjoyed that.